Hello everyone, in this video we're doing lab 8.8.10 Troubleshoot System Startup 2. Here is the scenario and tasks. My third attempt took me 1 minute 8 seconds and I'm confident enough in my ability to guide you all to success. So here are the specifications. We replace the power supply on the computer, but the computer won't boot. As we can see. We have to diagnose and correct the problems. We'll know we'll be good when the computer recognizes all components in the BIOS, boots into Windows, and all the drivers are shown in the File Explorer. In this scenario, all the problems are things that can occur when replacing a power supply. First things first, flip that switch. Then go to the motherboard. It needs this. That goes there. Perfect. Next thing we need to do is click right here on the power supply. The 8-pin CPU needs to be connected right here. Good. That's missing something right there. Let's click here. Yeah. So that's there, but this needs to go. Let's put it right there. It's not powered, so we click on the power supply. We'll use this 15-pin connector SATA. Put it right there. Good. Let's power it. F2. We can see SATA 2, 3, and 6. Let's exit and hope it boots into Windows. And once and if it boots to Windows, we are fine. This is a good sign. This right here. Attempts 1 and 2. I was not getting that and it was failing. I was like, what did I do wrong? And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Here is the more in-depth explanation right here. And yeah, have a great one.